dramatic conclusion to one of the most exciting episodes of Dread Zone I have ever seen. Captain Starshield, the #1 ranked gladiator, has been terminated by Ace Hardlight. Ace has now eliminated a record 13 contestants in the regular season.
Incoming call from the mayor of Metropolis. The new mayor of Metropolis.
Oh, you mean, right. Just a sec. Greetings, Mayor. No. Well, long time no see. So Metropolis still in one piece, huh?
Greetings, Captain. I see you're taking good care of my old ship.
Well, she need a lot of tuning up, but I've kept her running.
Of course. Anyway, I'm afraid I bring bad news. As you know, Captain Starshield disappeared over a month ago. I've just been informed that he's been killed.
Oh my gosh. No.
Oh, what happened?
Apparently he was involved with some kind of illegal combat sport. Something called Dread Zone.
How the hell are you responsible for all this shit?
We believe it was being run by this man, Gleeman Vox. He operates an underground media empire from within the Shadow Sector.
The Shadow Sector?
It's a lawless region of space on the fringe of the galaxy. Many other heroes have disappeared recently, and we fear that they might have met with the same fate. Ratchet, I just wanted to warn you before...
Guys, we got trouble. Like what? God damn it.
Known as Ratchet.
I don't suppose you guys are here to fix the starboard engine, huh?
This day cannot get any worse. Great. This ride takes forever. Oh, how long will it get there? Like, I don't know. Guys, I think we're going somewhere in this.
Yeah? We've captured Subject 209, Mr. Vox.
Excellent. Bring him in.
Yes, sir. We caught strays in the process. Should we terminate them?
Give him collars, and see if you can get some work out of them first.
Hello? Hello in there? Can you hear me? You've been unconscious for hours. You're probably a little disoriented. How many fingers am I holding up? Whoops. Looks like we've got a feedback loop in the visual matrix processor. Hold still a second. How's that? Okay, now to activate your speech function.
Hey, what the hell? What the hell's going on, man? Sheesh!
Me out of this thing, you blarg-headed frack monkey! I can barely breathe and my tail feels like it's shoved right up my...
There seems to be a problem with the speech circuitry. I'll take a look at it later. Now hold still. Let's just see if I wired that teleportation circuitry right.
Oh.
The new armor you're wearing is standard issue for new contestants.
Contestant?
We will explain later. If you do not complete the qualification course in the allotted time, we will all be terminated.
That's not really funny, but okay. That was a warm. Man, what was hold on. That was just brief.
And welcome to Dread Zone. Rest assured, you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest holovision program that Galaxy has ever known. A celebrity gladiator, battling for the pleasure of 1 billion screaming fans across the Shadow Sector and beyond. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow.
I'm not getting
Those
that.
of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn a chance to win your freedom.
Freedom?
So, good luck. We'll be watching you. Note the deadlock collar securely fastened around your neck. This collar cannot be broken or removed. Should you stray into any restricted area, the collar will administer an extremely painful shock. Observe.
What?
I hate this job.
Oh my god! That's deadly.
Contestant become unproductive or worse,
Huh?
boring. His collar can be detonated at any time with the push of a button.
What do you mean by that? It's not like a. Oh shit!
There you have it.
I'm not gonna die.
Head over.
Okay, I'm fine, Spider-Man.
Wow, this place is crazy. I've always wondered what it'd be like to be a professional gladiator. I mean, these guys have the life, the fame, the money, the babe.
Boy, if I get the money, oh, I'll be rich.
Try not to forget that we are being held prisoner by a criminal organization.
Why is
This is no time for fantasizing.
You're jealous.
Hey, nice digs.
Digs?
I mean, what's all the hardware for?
You know, computers, laptops. You know what hardware is for.
Ah, they call this the mission control room. Each contestant is assigned a mission engineer to monitor their progress.
Right. So, what's his face figured he'd save a few bolts and make you do it.
Ratchet.
All right, fresh meat. Enough. You're next up in the battle dome.
Battle Dome.
Mobius, man.
Uh
From the way
oh.
he's fighting, it won't be much longer. Now move it.
Okay.
Ratchet, I will assist you any way I can.
Don't worry, we got it.
These guys obviously don't know who they're messing with.
Yeah, what the hell are you doing?
Hey, Ratchet. I have something to show you. Meet your new battle bots.
Call me Merc. This here's Green. Hi, sir.
I got them off a former contestant who, won't be needing them anymore.
Don't worry, boss. You won't end up like that last guy. I hope not. I still have nightmares about it. Oh, suck it up, Green.
Once you win a few battles, we can afford to upgrade them. Just come and see me whenever you want to juice them up.
Alright. It won't hurt.
Greetings, hero or heroine. We thank you for choosing Pox Airways for your traveling needs. We do hope you have a pleasant flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight entertainment. Courtesy of the Pox Network.
Okay.
Something you should know. I'm not a real tyrannoid.
Will you lose your lunch if you have to watch one more reality dating show? Is your blogs gone wild, video scratched from overuse? Then it's time to turn that dial to something a little more dangerous. Time for some real action. It's time to blow up! That's right, it's time for Dread Zone, the galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome. And now, on pay-per-view, watch as Ratchet and Clank take on Ace Hardlight and the Exterminators. They saved the galaxy 3 times over, but how long can they survive in the zone? Catch it live, right here on Pox.
Oh, and that is it for Mobius Man, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Eviscerator's 4th victim already this season. Next up, we have, let's see here, Ratchet. Folks, but don't worry, we have Gray Thunder and Hydro Girl coming up later, so stay tuned to Dread Zone. Well, well, don't bother getting up for drinks, folks. This guy won't last 2 rounds.
We'll see.